In today's video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to learn email marketing for beginners. Now, a lot of people want to learn email marketing because it is the highest ROI of any marketing that you can do online, meaning your return on your time or investment in traffic or whatever. It is the best way to make money with affiliate marketing, network marketing, is to build an email list so that you can make money like this. And you can see this is commissions from just one thing that we have promoted, and it's over $320,000 that we have made from just this one affiliate program that we have been part of. We have numerous accounts where we make some $1,000 in a different one, 50,000 in another one, 30,000 in another one, 200,000 in another one. And that's what email marketing can do for you and why it's so important to learn it. And if you have no idea of what you're doing and have never done email marketing yet, this is the absolute easiest way to learn email marketing if you're a beginner, because you're going to want a little bit of guidance. Without that guidance, trying to do it on your own, you're going to have a lot of trials and errors and having to figure things out. It's going to take you way longer. And so then it's going to take you way longer to make money with whatever you are trying to make money with. So the thing that I'm talking about here that you can use is something called the Home Business Academy. Now, why the Home Business Academy? Because the Home Business Academy has a complete page builder, funnel builder. So when you want to do email marketing, you want to be able to set up a funnel if you're promoting something. Like we promote a company called Greatlife Worldwide, and we can build out a funnel for it. And that funnel promotes it. And the Home Business Academy isn't just a funnel builder. How this is going to be the easiest way for you to learn affiliate marketing if you're a beginner is that they have a community that is absolutely amazing. And this is what their community and all of their training back here in the Home Business Academy is focused on. They have literally step-by-step videos that are going to teach you email marketing, and their videos are absolutely amazing, and their community is amazing. We've been part of the Home Business Academy now for several years and have taken part in their community and other different things that they've done because of their coaching and everything else that they do. There literally is no other an easier way to get involved in email marketing. Learn it from literally the ground up, master it, because you will master it if you follow the Home Business Academy. They go live all of the time. They have a Facebook group. Here it is right here on my screen, the Home Business Academy. In here, they are extremely helpful. This is a group that has tons of engagement because the two people who run the Home Business Academy own it are two really amazing individuals, and I really can't say enough positive about them because of what great lengths they go to help people. Okay, and that's the part sometimes where people don't. That's one of the biggest complaints that people have online when they're listening to somebody or trying to figure out how to make money is, a lot of times somebody will sell them something and they have no real help. But with the Home Business Academy, it's totally different. You're going to have an immense amount of help, training, and support because that's what their whole philosophy is based around, and email marketing. So that's why it is the easiest way, because when you stumble and fall or need direction, this group that we are part of and this community will be there to help guide you. And the step-by-step instructions with videos, you cannot go wrong. You will, if you're a beginner now, you won't be for long. And again, here's where they went live, and they send out emails for all their lives, everything they're doing when they go live in the group, all these different trainings that they do. But again, when you want to make money like this from an affiliate program, When you see people who crush it online and make that kind of money from network marketing or affiliate marketing, selling their own products and services, how people do that is they have some type of funnel and they have email marketing set up. And that's what you want when you want to make real money. And if you've been struggling online and you have never made any sales really before, and you've seen, hey, you should really be building your email list. Yes, because an email list is powerful. Our email list have been around, some of them, for literally almost 2 decades. And we have people that have gotten on our list almost 2 decades ago that are still on our list today, that still buy products and services or join us in our network marketing opportunities that we promote because of the fact they know, like, and trust us. And how that happened was through email marketing. And when you see people start off fast in a program or an opportunity or selling a product, the reason they can do that is because they built their email list already. They have a list of leads. And you don't have to have a huge list of leads to start making money. You just got to be building your list, because as you build your list, you will start to make sales in whatever you are promoting when you learn email marketing. And as you get a bigger list and bigger, you'll continue to make more sales, and it will just continue to grow eventually, where you can send an email and it's like push button profits. When they say push button, that's email marketing, because you can literally hit send and send an email to all your subscribers as you grow your list, and you can make instant sales. And the bigger that list becomes, the bigger the amount of instant sales you can make when you do this stuff right. And again, I cannot say enough about the Home Business Academy, the training, and everything that they do. They go out of their way to make sure that what they are centered around is helping people succeed and teaching them email marketing. And you can get involved in the HBA for as little as $25 a month and have full access to their training with the funnel builder, and you will have the complete funnel builder that you can use. You can see right here, I'm in the back office of the funnel builder. It's all literally point, click, type, drag and drop. It's super easy, and they have videos that walk you through all of it and setting up your form so that it collects emails and goes into your list, and they teach you how to do follow-up emails and everything like that. You can see I was building a new page here for promoting our Great Life business, and that's where it's being built at, in the Home Business Academy's funnel builder. And it's very easy to connect an autoresponder, and again, they have instructions for doing all of that stuff, and you can get started for literally $25 a month, and that gives you full access to the complete funnel builder, to all of the training to get set up, building your email list. They even have done for you funnels so that you can start building your email list. And of course, you can promote to that email list anything you want, because it's your email list as you start building it. And they have other products and services. We own every single one of them. And that's just because the Home Business Academy is fabulous in everything that they do. They over deliver in value, in training, in support, and I cannot stress that enough. If you want to make money online with anything, the Home Business Academy is an absolute must-have, because if you follow their training and utilize everything that they have to build your email list, you cannot fail. You will be building your email list successfully and be making sales. And that's, again, why this is the absolute easiest way to learn email marketing for beginners, or for even someone who's got a little bit of experience, because they have all kinds of training back here that you can follow, and they go live all of the time, where they get into nuts and bolts of how to do this, how to do that, how to do this. They record these trainings. They regularly communicate, because, again, they're different than the norm you're probably used to, where somebody sells you something and there's no real support. Here, you're going to get the support that you need, and you will be successful. You will be able to learn how to sell whatever it is that is driving you to make money or what you want, or you have your own products and services, you will be able to sell them through email marketing when you join the Home Business Academy. I will put a link, in the video description for the Home Business Academy where you can join through us. And yes, we'll make a commission if you join. That's the way the Home Business Academy works. You refer people, you can make commissions too. And like I said, they have done for you funnels for that aspect. And we're not just doing it so that we make commissions by referring people to this. And why I'm doing this video is we have a lot of people who come to us and they want to learn email marketing. And me and my son used to have our own membership sites, and we would teach email marketing, and we used to do the same kind of thing. And we did like these guys did and over delivered, and it was very time consuming. And we're at a point in our lives, in our business, where we don't want to spend that kind of time anymore developing another system to teach people email marketing when something so fabulous as the Home Business Academy already exists. And so you're looking to build your email list, this is where you want to be. And I will leave a link under this in the description under this video so you can check this out, sign up, and start building your email list and learning internet marketing, digital marketing from tail to toe, everything you need to know about it. So other than that, my friends, I hope you have a great day, and we will see you on another video.